first Fashom box, and I'm just gonna open it up. I have an invoice with 5 pieces. I got to see a preview. I think they only offered 7 choices and they were all tops, and I wasn't really thrilled from the small thumbnail picture that I could see from them, but we'll see. Hopefully I'll like something, and they have different discounts, 30% if I keep all 5 and 25% for 3 or 4 pieces. So we'll see how I like everything. I did choose 5 out of the 7, and I haven't had much experience other than watching a few unboxings. They have a prepaid return mailer. It's a little different because you are picking, so it's not a total surprise with what you're getting. Here's my bundle. It's got a pretty purple box, and everything's wrapped with the tissue paper. I have one of my new Amazon tops on. I'm really happy with it. I wore it out today, and it's really comfortable because the sleeves are lightweight. But I'm going to do, I guess, an unbagging of all my Amazon purchases in a future video, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, the first one, this one looked interesting because it has this tassel detail. I guess I should get the paperwork out. Excuse me. Okay, this is the 22nd, the brand is 22nd Fun Sleeve Trim Rayon Top. It's just a pretty olive top, and thought this was a fun little detail, so it's really cute. We'll try that on, and that is $41. Feels really nice and soft. I don't know how that, I think the rayon knit shouldn't be very troublesome. This one is, I'm a little worried about this one. This is the Chris and Carol Janie Velvet Raglan Sleeve Tunic. I like some velvets, but I can already feel that this is one that if you rub against it the opposite direction of the nap, it will kind of gives you this icky feeling. I don't know if you don't. I think it's just a sensory thing with me, but yeah, this isn't, it's a little dated looking. It's a black little small floral print, and the sleeves are just a knit. I already can tell I don't like the way the velvet feels. Not to be negative. I don't want this to be a negative video, but I had heard so much good things about Fashom, and then wasn't too thrilled with my thumbnails, so I don't know. Let's see. This is the 22nd Maggie Stripe Hoodie Top. And it's a navy top with a, got a little, just standard hoodie design. Let's see. It's got a knot front and a little bit longer back. Oh, got elbow patches. So they're faux suede elbow patch, and then it's got the sort of camel brown and ivory stripes. Might be interesting. Let's see, the velvet top I didn't mention was $39, and this one is $43 for the hooded top. This is the Paper Moon Isabella floral print top. I'm a little sinusy today, so that's why my vowels aren't coming out very well, but let's see. This is soft. It's pretty. I'll try it on. It seems a little inexpensive. I can't explain it. It doesn't seem like all that great quality, and I can tell, yeah, it's very, you can see me, it's very see-through, so I'm not so sure about that one. This is going to be a really negative video, I'm afraid. I'm so sorry about that. This is $33. And then this is the Angela Collection Arm Ties Top. I thought this had some interesting colors. It's got olive green and has sort of an Aztec pattern, olive green and mustard, black, gray, and it has a shoulder and sleeve detail with the ties, and they actually are tied. So it's actually, I think it's my favorite one so far. So we'll try these on later. That one is $39 if I didn't mention that before. So this one feels really good and it seems like a good quality. So nothing else, maybe I'll keep this piece. Stay tuned.